Alright, so today we have the Eotech EXPS3-0. Let's take a look. Nice case. Eotech sticker. Reference card. Registration. Other stuff. Alright, so it's foamed. There's the optic right there, foamed in. Let's go ahead and pull it out. So here we got the Eotech symbol. This is the night vision compatible. This is the EXPS3-0. This looks like this is where the brightness up and down. Got a housing here to protect the lens in case it were to fall or knock off on something. We got windage dials here and battery compartment with the little tie off here so this doesn't get lost. Here's the bottom. This goes on a standard Picatinny rail. This SKU number here, I believe you can scan to register your product and legitimize to make sure it's legitimate. This is the quick detach mode here, which is the EXPS model or EXPS3 model. So it looks like you push down on it here and then this flips up. Mount it on your Picatinny and latches in just like that. Alright, let's throw this bad boy on a rifle and see how it looks. Alright, let's put on this Eotech Halographic sight. We have here a PCM Recce 16 with some Magpul backup iron sights. Alright. Okay. Like that. This latches down, clicks into place. Now that is securely mounted. Alright, let's see how the Halographic looks through the lens. The down button will turn it on for 4 hours. Press this once, it'll stay on for 8 hours. press both of these at the same time, you could turn off the reticle. So just because you hit the 4-hour or the 8-hour and you don't shoot it for that long, doesn't mean that it has to stay on and run up the batteries. Press both at the same time, that will shut it down.